Good afternoon, members of the panel and co-presenters, as well as staff and students. I am here to present a paper on the effect of administration of alligator pepper, extract, and gingerol on calcium carbonate motor coordination impaired mice. That's my table of content. Let's move to the next slide. It's not responding. Motor coordination is associated with Parkinsonism, and Parkinson is one of the most neurodegenerative disorders whose pathogenesis is not well established. And gingerol is been implicated in coordination of motor to improve motor coordination, and alligator pepper have been found in a laboratory to contain 6-gingerol. Recently, in our laboratory, a study shows that there was improvement in motor coordination in apparently normal mice treated with alligator pepper, and we attributed that to be the presence of gingerol in alligator pepper. And that, however, whether the administration of alligator pepper that contains 6-gingerol will improve motor coordination in mice with impaired motor coordination has not been previously ascertained. Therefore, this research was to study the effects of administration of alligator pepper extract and gingerol on calcium carbonate motor coordination in impaired mice. Statement of the problem. Statistics shows that the prevalence of Parkinson's disease has doubled in the past 25 years. Global estimate in 2019 shows over 8.5 million individuals with Parkinson, an increase of 81% since 2000, and has caused 329,000 deaths. Then recent modeling suggests that the number will increase significantly, up to 25 million by 2050. The aim and objective of this study. The aim of this study was to investigate the effect of administration of alligator pepper extract and gingerol on calcium carbonate motor coordination impaired mice. The objectives of this study include to investigate the effects of the alligator pepper on motor coordination, and also to investigate the effect of 6-gingerol supplement on motor coordination in mice. The materials we used 30 CD1 mice, and we grouped them into 6. The group 1 was served as control, and the group 2 served as alligator pepper extract only, and group 3 received 6-gingerol supplement orally, and group 4 was treated with alligator pepper extract plus 1% calcium carbonate diet, and group 5 were treated with 6-gingerol supplement and also with calcium carbonate diet, and group 6 received calcium carbonate diet only. And that the mice were treated with alligator pepper and gingerol as well as calcium carbonate for 30 days, and that the animal models were tested for motor coordination using the beam walking apparatus. This result here, the first result, is indicating the line crossing made by the animals. We use it to assess motor coordination as one of the symptoms that is always presented in Parkinson's disease. The next slide, please. The next slide is indicating the reversers. We use reversers to assess the ability of an animal to assess fine motor coordination, which is one of the component factors that is affected in Parkinson's cases. And then the last one is the foot slip. Foot slips. The foot slips, we use them to see if the animal can gain stability on the beam walking apparatus to also assess the motor coordination function. I could not present the last parameter that is always added, associated in this study, which is latency to fall. Because in all the 6 groups, we could not have any animal that actually fall. So there was no need for including such data in this study. Discussion, motor coordination was impaired in animals treated with calcium carbonate only compared with control and other experimental groups from the results, and that the result also showed that there was no significant difference between the alligator pepper group compared to the Gingerol supplement. Next slide. Conclusion. Administration of alligator pepper and Gingerol supplement improved motor coordination in calcium carbonate impaired motor coordination in mice. The motor function enhancement observed may be attributed to Gingerol that is present in alligator pepper. The next slide. This is my recommendation. I recommend that most studies should be carried on alligator pepper to establish the potential neural pathway, because dopamine that is always attributed in Parkinson does not have alligator pepper does not have a precursor for dopamine. So there must be another thing that is responsible for this enhancement that is observed as improved motor coordination. Thank you. And my references are the last there.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Presenter. Alligator pepper.